Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool knob part #W11517334. The Whirlpool knob part #W11517334 is a replacement part for a range or cooktop. It is a black plastic knob with a chrome finish and is used to control the temperature of the range or cooktop. The knob has an arrow on it that points to the temperature setting. It also has a red indicator light that lights up when the temperature is set to high. This knob fits most Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, Jenn-Air, and Amana ranges and cooktops. It is easy to install and comes with instructions for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement knob for a Whirlpool range. It is used to control the temperature of the oven and stovetop burners. It can fix symptoms such as a broken or worn out knob, or one that does not turn properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the appliance from the power source. 2. Remove the existing knob by pulling it off the shaft of the control. 3. Insert the new knob onto the shaft of the control and turn it clockwise until it is secure. 4. Plug in the appliance and test to make sure that the new knob is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.